Today I am giving you guys a quick overview / review of the KIWI design head strap. This is the one with the built-in battery, so I'll definitely let you guys know what I think about it. Full disclosure, I was sent this by KIWI Design, but my opinions are my own. In fact, there are some downsides that I am going to mention later on. Also, I would like to mention that this is actually my first head strap, so keep that in mind when you're hearing my opinions of it. First of all, I do want to say that, let me get a good grip on this. The top part right here, very cushiony. I enjoy how cushiony it is quite a bit. And then the back here, all that just snaps on, by the way. There's no need for screwdrivers or anything like that. It just works. In fact, I'll show you guys how I put it on my head personally. This, and then it goes down like this. I can't see what you guys are seeing right now, but yeah, that is simply how you can put it on. And then you can adjust the strap here via Velcro. You just push these into place, and there's even a little thing on the side here, so the cord isn't just dangling. Then it plugs into where the battery gets charged, which is probably my first. I don't know if it's a downside or not, because I don't know if it hurts it by being plugged up all the time. I'll explain. Because, as I mentioned, this is the battery. If you look right here, the light indicator that indicates how much charge it has, and you plug it here to charge. And this charges both the headset and this battery. Well, as you can see, the headset is saying that I have it on charge because I have this thing plugged in. So it plugged into the battery. Now, I don't know if that's going to hurt it long term or not. I really honestly do not know. I'm low-key a little bit worried about that. I know I've been hearing though, other head straps actually have a button that you press when you want it to use the battery. I guess I could just unplug this and plug it back in whenever I need. Maybe that would be a better option. Definitely let me know your guys' thoughts below. But yeah, that is my opinion of this. Oh, and how it feels on the head. I guess I should mention that. Let me put it actually on my head as I'm talking about how it feels on the head. It actually feels very good, very sturdy. I actually like it quite a bit. It's way more comfortable than the initial strap that it comes with. And I'm talking about the initial strap that comes with the MetaQuest 3. It's just, actually, I think I have it here so I can show you guys. This strap. This is the little thing that comes with the MetaQuest 3. If you tie it too tight, it pushes into your head a bit. And I don't know. I just dealt with it because I didn't really believe there was a good alternative. But yeah, this is an awesome alternative. As I mentioned, this is my first head strap because this is my first VR device, the MetaQuest 3. And I'll be honest, I'm a little hesitant to just hold it by this up here. But yeah, and it had pretty good counterweight. You know, it's a little more heavy here because the battery not that heavy in the back, but it provides more counterbalance weight than the original head strap. So if you're wondering if this is an upgrade to the original head strap, I would say it is indeed an upgrade. That is just my opinion. Now, I did do an unboxing of this, as you guys know, and guess what it came with? It came with a microfiber cloth, which is something that my MetaQuest 3 did not come with. So I actually am honestly happy that it came with this. This is very good. Now, as far as I know, you can buy just the strap without the battery, but I figured I'd get to show off this with the battery in it as well. Oh yeah, I guess that's another thing I should point out. The battery on the back here, like I mentioned, is non-removable. So it's permanently on the device, in the device rather. So there's no swapping it, there's no buying a second battery for whatever. It's just in there, and that's how it is. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Have you thought about getting one of these devices, or are you like, maybe a different device, maybe the inside battery, no button to press to start and stop the charge, maybe that's not for me type thing? Let me know your thoughts, comment section below, and with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.